Yo, what's up guys? It's Callan here, back with another video, and today I'm doing another rare vlog. So I got this mini train track for $5, so I want to see what it's like. I have to move this big thing out of the way. It's a grape tree. So we're gonna turn this on, this can focus. Maybe I'm too far away from it. Okay. Let's see. Come on, focus. Screw it. Oh, never mind, it focus. Let's see, turn it on. Okay, there we go. Is it really? Oh, not already. Stop it. There we go, fixed. Oh no, not again. Now the train's off the track. It's kind of annoying, but I'm gonna have to figure a solution to this somehow. Oh well, just leave it like that, it'll be fine. Just perfectly fine. Let's just take it off. Let's look at the train. Man, it's so fun. Okay, well, bye.